Hello guys, welcome or welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another book haul video on this channel. So today I have these packages, that books that I bought from Flipkart, that I'm going to unbox today, and I'm really excited and I'm really desperate to open these packages cause I ordered all these books like all together, but they were coming like on different days. So I've been so patient by not opening this, and it's really a task to not open the books right away. So without any further ado, let's start to unbox this. Let's start with the first package. So okay, so it's the Metamorphosis, and oh my god, it's such a beautiful cover, and it's such a short book. Okay, the font size is good, the pages quality is also good, so it's good. And I heard that it's about a man who wakes up one morning and he finds himself turning into a cockroach, and then it's all about his struggle to face into the condition he is. And I don't know much about it, so I will read and then I will going to surely review it. Okay, so this one I bought for 89 rupees, and all the books that I bought are below 100 rupees, and most of these were like classics, and all the titles were really great. Like, people were raving about these books, and I really wanted to read this from such a long time, so I ordered these. So let's move on to the second package. I can feel there are 3 books in this package. Okay, let's open this. Cover of these books, like it's also pocket size, in pocket size, and the cover is really beautiful. The font on this book cover is really good. So the next book is As a Man Thinketh by James Allen, and I also read a part 2, Prosperity by James Allen. I really liked it, so I ordered this one, as this one is also a bestseller. And wait, I got this one for 89 rupees, and the pages quality is good, the font is also good, so it's such a great deal. And the second one is Animal Farm. Oh my god, it's also beautiful. I'm loving the covers of these, like all red, and the font is really beautiful. And it's about, I heard that it's about animals who live in a farm and they rebel against their owner. So it's a satirical and numerical story, and I'm really looking forward to read this one as well. Okay, so Animal Farm by George Orwell, and I got it for 69 rupees, which is really a good deal. The third one is Hamlet by William Shakespeare, which I got for 79 rupees, and I don't know much about this, but I'm really looking forward to read this book. This is also one of the best sellers, and the cover is really beautiful. The pages quality is also good. The font size is also good. So yeah. Okay, let's move on to the third package. So the next book we have is Wuthering Heights, which is again a very talked about book, and it's a classic, and really, like, it's a bestseller, and many people talk about this, and I'm really looking forward to read it. And I got it for 99 rupees, and the pages quality is good, the font size is good, so yeah, it was again a great deal. So let's move on to the next package we have. We have is 1984, again a George Orwell book, and I don't know what it's about, like, and it's again a bestseller, and people really talk about this one as well. So I'm really looking forward to read it. And yeah, the pages quality is nice, the font size is also good. So yeah, it's a great deal. And wait, I got it for 99 rupees. Yeah, I got it for 99 rupees. So I'm really looking forward to read this one. And let's move on to the next package. Now, this is the last package I have, so let's open this as well. So the last book is again a book that I really wanted to read from a very long time, Romeo and Juliet. We know all about Romeo and Juliet story, but we never put an effort to read this one. But I was getting it for 73 rupees, so I bought this one as I really wanted to read this one. And let's see what I feel like about after reading this book. I will share my reviews after reading. And okay, we don't got any bookmarks. Yes, here is the bookmark. Yeah, we got only one bookmark with all the books. Like I bought 7 books and only one bookmark, scale bookmark. So yeah, so these were all the books that I bought, and I'm really loving these books. Like these 4 books I'm really loving because of the size and also the cover. The cover is, colors are also good. Like this one is black, blue and purple and red, and also the font on it is golden, which is really beautiful. So I'm really liking all these 4 cover. And yeah, the other books were also good, and I'm really looking forward to read all these books. And that's all for the today's video. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video, and thanks for watching. Stay safe out there. Take care. Bye.